suite, a junior suite. Justin, open. People sleeping here. Oh, nice products. We're inside the Radisson Blu in Vilnius. This is a blue, what am I saying? Shoes off. This is a junior suite. So what do we have here?
I can make cacao for this.
This is the sofa bed.
First you have to pay extra if you want to be on that side.
You can request that.
How do you put the other side?
No, I mean if you
It's
get
the
on
bathroom.
the other side, not this.
Shower.
You can see.
Oh, why you're following me? Why everyone's following me?
I want to wash hands. I'm trying to keep my hygiene. You see, I care.
Okay. It's the same. Here, use this one. That's yours. This is ours. The big one is ours.
No.
Hey, go there. Use that. That's yours. Oh, here.
No, it's for toilet.
Yeah, just wash your hands, right? You just want to wash your hands? Go wash.
I want this one.
Go. You want to wash? Wash. So here's the toilet. The shower and bathtub. And the bed. It's marble. Can you not destroy? Don't. Wow, we got a nice view. What do you want?
That towel is on the floor.
You have footage, Mommy.
Huh?
You have footage.
Like this phone fell.
I think it fell because it doesn't look like it was put there.
In here's extra towels. Can you open again? Can you open again? Mm-hmm. So there's the door for toilet.
Can I pee?
And there we go through here and out in the bay. My God, amazing view. It's just too sunny right now. On the other side, I think, is the old town, but this is good enough. It's the city view. That's a nice place down there. I like this place. Okay. So what else am I going to inspect? Okay. It's in plastic, very hygienic. Okay, I got a telephone here and a reading lamp. Light on top of the headboard. And that's nice art. I like the lamp, it's cute. Maybe it's too sunny. Let's close a little bit. Oh, nice.
Can I boil it water?
We're on the 22nd floor. We will go to Sky Bar, and unfortunately it's closed. There's a construction going on down there. It's gonna be a big building again. This is a nice street. We're at Radisson Hotel right now. What do you call that tower hill? Gediminas? Gediminas Castle. Cup, they say in the shopping mall. I have to change what I'm wearing.
Yeah,
so
me too.
this is Neris River. Neris River. And over there again, that's the old town. The jacuzzi. It's closed right now because of COVID. So, I have alcohol left. We got 15 minutes.
It's like we're lost. And in the end is
Okay, it's okay.
it's like,
How do you do this?